Welcome to our updated guide on how to mention multiple users in an Instagram comment using your Android device. Let's go through the steps together. 1. Start by opening the Instagram app on your Android device. Instagram is a social media platform where you can connect with others, share content, and engage with posts through comments and mentions. 2. Find the post you want to reply to by scrolling through your feed or visiting a specific user's profile. Once you've located the post, tap on it to open the comments section. 3. Tap on the comment icon below the post. This action will allow you to start typing your reply in the comment box. 4. In the reply box, type the @symbol, followed by the username of the person you want to mention in your comment. This will notify the user that they have been mentioned in your reply. 5. To mention multiple users, repeat the process by typing the @symbol, followed by each username you want to mention in your comment. You can mention as many users as you like in a single comment. 6. Once you've finished writing your reply with all the mentions included, tap the arrow icon or the send button to post your comment with the mentions. By following these steps, opening Instagram, finding the post, tapping the comment icon, mentioning users with the @symbol, and posting your comment, you can easily engage with multiple users in a single comment on Instagram. Mentioning multiple users in a comment is a great way to interact with friends, tag collaborators, or acknowledge multiple people in a post. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide helps you in mentioning multiple users in an Instagram comment effortlessly. Enjoy engaging and connecting with others on Instagram.